at one Lewannick close today. It's a 3-bedroom detached house. It's in a nice corner plot, so you've got a garden to most sides of you. And the house itself is detached. It's got 3 first floor bedrooms, lovely living room. Kitchen is less than just around a year old, and then it's got some further rooms on the ground floor here that you could use. There's a garage you could use. There's a workshop area. There is another room that's currently a music room, and there is also a snug or smaller room which could double up as your 4th bedroom. So quite a versatile property in a lovely village where there's lots going on. You've got a church, you've got the school, community centre, and of course a pub, and you're very close to the A30. So it is a good place to be if you want to be in North Cornwall, get to the beaches, just as easy as that access to the A30. Call the office and find out more.